The best drinks to have before sleep. Every night, when we go to sleep, our body restores itself, our heart rate slows, and our breathing becomes calm. But sometimes, even when we are tired, sleep doesn't come easily. Instead of turning to medicine, let's turn to nature. Here are the top 7 best drinks to help you sleep better. Each one relaxes the body, calms the mind, and helps your brain release melatonin, the natural sleep hormone. 1. Warm milk, the classic bedtime drink. Warm milk is one of the oldest and most effective natural sleep aids. It contains tryptophan and calcium, which help the brain produce serotonin and melatonin. To prepare, warm 1 cup of milk. Do not boil it. Add a teaspoon of honey for better relaxation. This drink slows down your heartbeat, calms your nerves, and gently signals your body that it's time to rest. 2. Warm water with honey. Simple and powerful. If you don't like milk, drink warm water with honey. It's light, natural, and very soothing. Honey slightly raises insulin levels, helping tryptophan enter your brain more easily, which boosts serotonin. This makes you feel calm and sleepy. Drink it 30 minutes before bed, and soon your body will start relaxing naturally. 3. Chamomile tea, nature's relaxing flower. Chamomile tea is famous for its calming effects. It contains apigenin, a natural antioxidant that binds to receptors in your brain to reduce anxiety. How to make it? Add 1 teaspoon of dried chamomile to a cup. Pour in hot water. Let it steep for 5 to 7 minutes. Its soft flavor and floral aroma help release stress and prepare your mind for sleep. 4. Lavender tea, calmness in a cup. Lavender isn't just a pleasant scent, it's a true sleep booster. Its essential oils slow your heart rate and relax your muscles. Steep 1 teaspoon of dried lavender in hot water for 5 minutes. Add honey or a few drops of lemon juice if desired. Lavender tea is like a warm hug for your mind, gently leading you into a peaceful night's rest. 5. Banana smoothie, sweet and relaxing. Bananas are rich in magnesium and potassium, which calm your nervous system and ease muscle tension. Recipe: 1 ripe banana, 1 cup of warm milk, 1 teaspoon of honey. Blend them together until smooth. This creamy drink not only tastes delicious, but also helps your body and mind relax before bed. 6. Oat milk or almond milk, the best plant-based option. If you can't drink regular milk, oat milk and almond milk are perfect substitutes. They both contain nutrients that help your body produce serotonin and melatonin. Drink them warm with a little honey before bed. Almond milk is especially rich in magnesium, which helps muscles relax and reduces stress. A warm glass before bedtime can improve your sleep quality significantly. 7. Peppermint or lemon balm tea, refreshing and soothing. Peppermint and lemon balm tea are perfect for relieving daily stress and anxiety. They help slow the heartbeat, relax your body, and create a sense of peace. To prepare, steep 1 teaspoon of dried peppermint or lemon balm in hot water for 10 minutes. Add honey for mild sweetness. This tea works perfectly after a long, stressful day. It clears your mind and lets your body know it's time to sleep. Final thoughts. So here you have it, the top 7 best drinks to have before sleep. All of them are natural, safe, and simple to make. White heavy checkmark: drink warm milk or honey water before bed. White heavy checkmark: enjoy a cup of chamomile or lavender tea. White heavy checkmark: or treat yourself to a delicious banana smoothie. The most important thing is consistency. Drink your bedtime beverage at the same time every night, and your brain will learn that it's time to rest. The best drinks to have before sleep. Falling asleep peacefully after a long, stressful day is something we all desire. But sometimes, no matter how tired we are, the mind refuses to slow down. Instead of turning to sleeping pills or synthetic remedies, nature offers gentle, natural solutions, relaxing drinks that calm your body and prepare it for deep rest. Let's explore some of the best drinks to have before sleep and understand how each one helps you drift into a peaceful night. Number 1. Warm honey milk. This classic bedtime drink has been trusted for generations. Warm milk naturally contains tryptophan, an amino acid that supports the production of melatonin, the sleep hormone. When combined with honey, it becomes even more effective. The natural sugars in honey slightly raise insulin, allowing tryptophan to enter the brain more easily. Together, they calm your nervous system, ease muscle tension, and promote a warm, safe feeling that helps you fall asleep faster. Drink it 30 minutes before bed for the best effect. Number 2. Chamomile and lemon balm tea. Chamomile is widely known for its relaxing aroma and natural sedative properties. But when mixed with lemon balm, it becomes a powerful combination for sleep. Lemon balm reduces anxiety and restlessness, while chamomile soothes your mind. The result is a gentle sense of calm that spreads through your body, preparing you for rest. This tea is caffeine-free and ideal for people who struggle to fall asleep due to stress or overthinking. Number 3. Almond and banana smoothie. This is not only delicious, but also a sleep-enhancing drink. Almonds are rich in magnesium, a mineral that relaxes muscles and nerves, while bananas contain potassium and vitamin B6, which help your brain produce melatonin. Blending these two together with a little bit of oat milk makes a creamy, naturally sweet smoothie that supports a restful night. It's especially great after a workout or a long day when your muscles feel tight and tired. Number 4. Lavender and peppermint infusion. If you're looking for something refreshing yet calming, this herbal infusion is perfect. Lavender lowers blood pressure and slows down your heart rate, while peppermint cools the body and eases digestion. Many people experience poor sleep because of indigestion or bloating, and peppermint is excellent for relieving that. Together, these herbs create a relaxing drink that clears both the mind and the stomach, helping you breathe deeply and sleep peacefully. Number 5. Tart cherry juice. One of the few natural drinks proven by science to increase melatonin levels is tart cherry juice. These cherries are rich in antioxidants and melatonin, which help regulate your body's sleep-wake cycle. Drinking a small glass before bed not only improves the quality of your sleep, but also helps reduce inflammation in your muscles and joints. It's an excellent option for athletes or anyone who experiences nighttime discomfort. Number 6. Golden turmeric milk. Known as golden milk, this drink combines turmeric, milk, and a pinch of black pepper. Turmeric contains curcumin, which helps reduce stress, anxiety, and inflammation in the body. When taken warm, it soothes the throat, relaxes the body, and supports better sleep. Black pepper improves the absorption of curcumin, making the drink more effective. You can also add cinnamon or ginger for extra warmth and flavor. This drink is perfect during colder nights.